If your vehicle is equipped with four-wheel drive, the hill descent control system can help reduce driver workload when going down steep hills by applying the vehicle brakes to help control the vehicle speed when driving below 16 miles per hour on steep downhill grades. To activate the hill descent control system, the vehicle speed must be under 16 miles per hour. Now push the hill descent control system switch to on. The hill descent control indicator light will illuminate and remain on in the instrument panel. If the switch is on and the system becomes disengaged for any reason, the hill descent control indicator light blinks. If the accelerator or brake pedal is depressed while the hill descent control system is on, the system will stop operating temporarily. As soon as the accelerator or brake pedal is released, the hill descent control system begins to function again. To turn off the hill descent control system, push the switch to the off position. The hill descent control indicator light will turn off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.